Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. And today we're going to do some more PLC programming in Codesys with FBD function block diagram. And in this project I call it timer project because in this project I will show you guys how to use a timer and how a tone block and how a tough block works in function block diagram when you do some PLC programming. So the first thing we will do is that when you are here in Codesys, you will go to Boolean operators and then you will choose the OR block to inputs. You will drag it in here to network 1, and in the two different inputs here you will then go to function blocks, and here you see one called tone. It's a timer block, and then you put it in there like this, and then you can name it whatever you want, but we are going to name it tone 1. And you can see also under the tone block you can see a tough block, and then we'll take it to the other input of the OR block, and we're going to name it here tough 1. And in the input of the tone block we will have you will make a tag that's called button, and we will do the same with the tough block. And here in the PT you will choose the time you want. So now when we have the button, when we press the button, it will take we will choose how many seconds before the light starts when we push the button. So if you do this in TIA Portal, you can just write how many seconds you want, milliseconds, normal seconds, but in Codesys you have to do it like this. So we will choose 3 seconds. So when we push the button, it will take 3 seconds for the light to turn on. Also remove these question marks if you're not going to use it there. And we will do the same here. T, hashtag, we can choose 5 seconds, just for fun. And now here, in the output of the OR block, we will take an assignment, and then there we will have a tag called light. So this is how the function block programming looks in network 1, how you're going to build it up and program it. So now we go to visualization, and now we will drag in a light, and we will choose here a dip switch. So press on the light and go to variables, and then you choose your tag. So here we have light, and then you go to the button or switch, variables 2, and then we will choose button. So after you have done that, you're going to build the projects to see that everything is right and works. Everything works. So now we will go online. No, wait, I did wrong. You're going to debug, sorry. You're supposed to go to debug. Of course it didn't work. There, simulation, found it. Now it's supposed to work. Yes, and now you go to debug and click start. go new vertical tab so we can see everything. So you can also see here the seconds. So we choose 5 seconds, now we turn off. And when we press it again, now it's lit. And we turn it off. Counts down on the top block. It's going to take 5 seconds for it to turn off. Turn on. Turn off. So, turn on, turn off. So yeah, now you can see this is how you do just a simple timer with a tone block and a top block with a simple light and a push button or a switch button, doesn't matter. So I hope you guys very much liked this video and learned something. See you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.